Good afternoon, this is Mel from Integral Blinds. We're out on a project today in Kirby and Ashfield in Nottinghamshire. It's a project that's a retrofit project into an existing bifold door with magnet operated integral blinds in standard 28mm sealed units. Now, I say these sealed units are standard. They actually boast a U value of 1.0. We use not warm edge spacer, of course, but unique to us, we use ultra warm edge technology in these construction of these units. In addition to argon gas, Planitherm Total Plus, and 4-season 4-function glass. The reason the 4-season 4-function glass has been used, as we've talked about in many of our other videos from various projects throughout the UK and Ireland, the 4-season glass has 4 functions, which is of course a 60 to 70% reduction in solar gain. That calms the glare and the heat down, making the internal space here, which is a kitchen stroke dining room, much more comfortable to be in. It's a 50% reduction in UV transmission. Now that's the light wavelength that would come in and bleach the colour out of this engineered oak floor. And as you can see, it's already pretty bleached where it was exposed to the UV for a significant time. But from now on, that's going to be an advantage in that the internal furnishings and decor here will not be bleached by the sun, or the colours will remain vibrant. The other of the 4 functions, the third function, is it's a privacy glass. I'll show you that from the outside. It's easier from the outside. So we're surrounded by houses, gardens, are significantly overlooked at the end there. There's no tree cover. Now, as you see there, just looking back, it's very difficult to see in. And that's the privacy function working. It's got a mirror-like sheen. I mean, it's almost, there's a blind down there. It's almost difficult to see it. And as you come back, all you get back is a reflection of the surrounding garden coming back at you. So it gives you a degree of privacy over and above what normal glass would give you and what the blinds give you. People don't always want to close the blinds on a nice day to have their privacy, or to stop the sunlight bleaching the flooring or furnishings, or to stay cool. If it's a nice day, you invariably want to be able to look at the garden. This property's just been redeveloped, so it will have a nice garden at some point. The other of the 4 functions is that external pane is a self-cleaning coating. It's got a coating like Teflon. Very little can stick to it, and watching rain hit it is like watching magic. It just sheets off of it. The advantage, of course, being that when it does rain, it sheets off of it. It doesn't sit on the glass and dry, making it necessary to clean readily, especially in spring and summer when you get these showers and the sun coming out a moment later off and on all day, making the glass look terrible. So that's also a thing of the past. So they have gone for the 4-season 4-function glass. It's a magnet operated integral blind, and in this one you can see where there's a control here that you just move up and down to tilt the blades. Bring it all the way down, the blind goes up entirely out of view. And I'll talk about that. That's what we call a concealed stack. Most blinds, integral blinds, well, all of them apart from ours, stack in view. And that is a common area of dissatisfaction when you speak to customers who have had them for years, and I'll tell you why in a moment. So when they stack in view, of course, it blights the view to some degree. The advantage here with a concealed stack, so there it's almost raised entirely behind the stack, and here it is entirely behind the stack, totally concealed out of view. Now, when you step back across the room and you look at the integral blinds which have been fully raised, what that means is that the issue where Venetian blinds never stack perfectly out of level from one unit to another, and you might have that one there sitting higher on the right than on the left, and this one might be the other way. It doesn't matter what self-leveling technology companies and manufacturers lay claim to, they never always sit perfectly level. And on a run of bifolds, such as this, in this case 5, it's obvious when you enter the room, so you walk in there and you look at that and you see that disarray of angles at the top. It really was a significant bugbear. So we developed this dress perimeter. Now this dress perimeter is jet black with a ice grey border detail. The slats of the blinds, of course, are limestone grey, and that works with the decor here. When you look at the worktops, of course, it picks out the grey streaks in the worktops. So grey is present in the space, so that was one of the reasons they went for that. Went for the jet black perimeter because it makes those black gaskets you see there disappear against the jet black perimeter. Now, these colours we're talking about, the border detail, which you see here in ice grey, and the jet black perimeter, they could be any choice of over 100 colours. And we can even do a different colour inside and out. So when you look at the outside on these, if it wasn't for the 4-season glass, it would be more visible. You can still see it. And of course, with 4-season glass, it does look like $1 million. And again, the black gaskets on the outside really disappear against that jet black dress perimeter. So it could have been any choice of 100 colours, over thousands of colour combinations could have been brought to bear. Now these are magnet operated integral blinds. So you've got a magnet slider that you move up and down to raise and lower and tilt the blades. And of course, we also do automated 24 volt, hardwired. We also do solar battery powered if you don't want to disturb your internal decor and plastering to run the wire in for that. So you can have solar battery to power the blinds. So absolutely stunning they look. It's a great project, one of many we're doing all throughout the UK and Ireland. At the moment we are due over in Middleton in County Cork within the next few weeks, and also other jobs in Wales, Scotland, Cornwall, London. We're everywhere. So wherever you are, we'd be happy to talk to you, explore the choices and options of a Swift Glide integral blind solution for your home. We can also supply the frames, aluminium usually people go for, sometimes plastic or hardwood. So whatever you need, we'd be happy to talk to you. You can email us at sales@integralblinds.com. You can check out our Facebook page on facebook.com/integralblinds. Our YouTube channel, perhaps you're looking at this video on our YouTube channel now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you get alerts when we post new content, new projects or product videos, which we do regularly. And of course, 0800 6102 610 is our phone number. So whatever you're doing, get in touch. We'd like to talk to you, share the excitement of the project that you're embarking on with you, and see how we can assist you to achieve a great outcome like this that looks equally as smart for your home. Thank you very much.